Good morning, children. Welcome back to ICAN Physics. Now in this class, we are going to see the problems from the second lesson. Let's enjoy the class. Okay. So the first problem. The following graph represents the current versus voltage. Now, the current is taken along x-axis and the voltage is taken along y-axis. And voltage versus current. Okay. Now the voltage value is taken along x-axis and the current value is taken along y-axis. For 6 conductors A, B, C, D, E and F. Which conductor has least resistance and maximum resistance? Okay. So VI. So which formula deals? That is V equal to IR. Okay. So V equal to IR. So we are going to calculate least resistance. So the multiplication I comes to this as division I. So V by I equal to R. Here in y-axis the voltage is taken. Okay. Or otherwise dy by dx. Like that we can calculate. So for the first conductor A, how we can change the formula? RA equal to delta V by delta I. Okay. So what is delta V? Change in voltage. Okay. So we can go for change in voltage. So it's 2. Initially at 0. So difference between 2 and 0. So we can write 2 minus 0. Divided by delta I. So I is taken on x-axis. So this is the final 4. This should be the initial 0. So 4 minus 0. Okay. So 4 minus 0. So 2 minus 0. 2. 4 minus 0. 4. 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. What we calculated? Resistance. The unit of resistance is ohm. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubts? No doubts. Now for the B. So straight away we can go for the formula. RB equal to delta V by delta I. Okay. So for B. So what is the final voltage? 4. What is the initial voltage? 0. So 4 minus 0. So 4 minus 0 divided by delta I. Here it will be. So when we are going for x-axis, it will be 3. Then the initial position 0. So 3 minus 0. Okay. So 4 minus 0. 4. 3 minus 0. 3. So now 1 3 is 3. Remember 1. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Like that it goes. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Now for C. So RC equal to delta V B delta I. Okay. For C, voltage. So it will be 5. And its initial is 0. So 5 minus 0. Okay. So 5 minus 0. Divided by current. Now it's taken on x-axis. So final one is 2. So 2 minus 0. So 2 minus 0. So 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. Now 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Remainder 1. So when we put the decimal point, we can add 0. So it becomes 10. So 5 2s are 10. So 2.5 ohm. Okay. Now do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? Okay. The first graph gets over. Okay. So now we are going to the second graph. So in the second graph, the voltage is taken along x-axis and the current is taken along y-axis. So that is the difference between both the graph. So now we are going to calculate the resistance for D. So what is the formula? RD equal to 1 by reciprocal of resistance. What is reciprocal of resistance? Or y axis by x axis. That is delta I by delta V. Delta I by delta V. Okay. So what is delta I? Delta I. So for D, current is taken along y axis. So it will be 2. And the initial one is 0. So 2 minus 0 divided by delta V. So it will be 4. And the initial is 0. So 4 minus 0. 1 by 2 minus 0. 2. 4 minus 0. 4. 1, 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. Now it becomes a reciprocal. So it becomes 2 ohm is the resistance of D. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? No doubt. Okay. Now E. Okay. So the resistance of E is 1 by delta I by delta V. Okay. 1 by delta I for E. Okay. This will be E. Then this is the x axis. Now it extends to y. So it will be 4. So 4 minus 0. So 4 minus 0 divided by delta V. So it should be 3. And its initial is 0. So 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0. So it becomes 1 by 4 minus 0. 4. 3 minus 0. 3. When it becomes a reciprocal, so it becomes 3 by 4. Okay. So when we cancel, so when you put 0, then it becomes 30. So 7 4s are 28. Remainder 2. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. This much of ohm. Okay. So finally we can go for F. Okay. So for F, how we can change the formula? For F, then it is RF equal to 1 by delta I by delta V. Okay. 1 by delta I for F. So it should be 5. And the initial one is 0. So 5 minus 0. So 5 minus 0 divided by for F, the voltage is, so it should be 2. So 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. 1 by 5 minus 0. 5. 2 minus 0. 2. Now it becomes a reciprocal. So 2 by 5. So when you put the decimal point, then you can put 0, 20, then 4 5s are 20. So this is the resistance of F, 0.4. So what is the question? What is the least resistance and the maximum resistance? Okay. So 0.5, 1.3, 2.5, 2, 0.75, 0.4. So 0.4 is the least one. So which has least resistance. Okay. So next one, maximum resistance. Then look at the 2.5. So 2.5 is the maximum resistance. Okay. Do you get it now? Do you have any doubt? No doubt.